Good afternoon, my name is Sarah Lyons, I'm your in-flight lead and it's my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. A very special welcome to those returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could of course fall out and cause injury. We are pleased to offer you our Wi-Fi service on today's flight. To connect and join to the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. We are about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew.